Well, this is a 32 centimeter diameter, or circumference I should say, ball. And I made dots every centimeter to define my design. Once I decided which dots to connect, I simply drew them in, and then I took a hot knife and just went through each one, each line, and then I can design my pattern. Yellow would be the gold, and I might put padding under those. And it'd be red velveteen and then green velveteen. And I took a file, nail file, and just kind of went down and take the ridges off, took some of the bumps off. But if I put the padding underneath it, under the gold, yeah, it'll work out just fine. Okay, just some cheap Dollar Tree craft glue. That just kind of holds it down a little bit. Try the red first. Now, there is a nap that I also want to keep, depending on which way it goes. So if I always orient it the same way, that would be the best. Beginning of it, I'll just repeat. Do the golds here, greens here, red, vice versa over there. Here's the completed ornament with all the fabric and a few pins added. Now I'm adding embellishments. Here's the embellishment on top and some on the bottom. And here is the final reveal.